morning. It's finally going to a fun park. But today let's go to the fun park. After fun park.
After the fun park, I think we're gonna let them out first so they can go explore the world.
Yep. Let us come back. Let them come back. Them could go back to them cage.
No, they're gonna fly away, baby. They're probably gonna be living in that tree now, or in those bushes over there. They're gonna go out and explore the world.
I can miss them.
You're gonna miss them. We'll get some more, okay?
Okay.
But yeah, we got these girls this butterfly garden thing, and they all hatched. It all worked out pretty well. This is the second time we do this. Well, I do this. This is the first time they do this. I did this with my brother and sister when they were younger.
I'll open it. Can I open it, Daddy?
Okay, wait. It was pretty cool. We watched them grow from tiny little caterpillars to big old worms to butterflies. You can see them flying around. They're ready to go. Look at, he's like, let me free. I'm out. I'm ready to go out. But we had one. Actually, he ended up being the last one to get into his chrysalis stage, and he was also the biggest one. And he was also kind of an asshole because he like dropped one of the butterflies from the top of the cup, and he like webbed all of the other butterflies while they were already, you know, in their little cocoons, and he was the last one to go in. So he webbed them all up. He was the last one out, and guess what? His wings didn't open up all the way. Maybe we'll hang on to him for another day, and then we'll let him out tomorrow. What do you girls think?
Good.
Good? Okay. You guys want to open him up? This guy's ready. Look at this guy's ready. They feel it. They feel the fresh air. Look at. Open it. Careful. Okay, pull it up. Oh, there goes one. Come on, butterfly, get out of there. Oh, they're too fast. They're ready to leave. See, they want to go explore the world already. So you get this one right here. Look at. Oh, he doesn't want to get out. He's too comfortable. Oh, here he comes.
Let him do it. His big brother is annoying.
His big brother's annoying? You think his big brother is getting to him?
Yeah.
He's shaking a little bit. Maybe he's scared. He's like, I don't want to leave you. I'm scared to leave my house. This is all I've known. My brothers and sisters are all gone. They didn't even say goodbye to me. Come on, butterfly. It's time to go. But come on, get out of here. Go. Circle of life situation. Let me see if I'll get him on my finger. I got a butterfly on my hand. Oh no, what's going on? It's another fish situation. Alright, so yeah, I don't guess that butterfly didn't really make it. But we're on our way to somewhere fun. Iris, where are we going?
To Fun Park City.
Fun Park City?
Yeah.
Oh, you excited? Oh, are you gonna get on all the rides?
Yeah.
Are you gonna put your hands in the air?
Yeah.
Are you gonna open your eyes?
Yeah.
Alright, are we gonna sit in the front?
Yeah.
Alright, you said it. What about you, Dolly?
I'm gonna tiny little train.
Oh, you were in the train, huh? You excited for the train?
Yeah.
Here we go, guys. We haven't been to a theme park together as a family for a while. What was the last time we went somewhere? We went to
the zoo.
The zoo, but
That was whack.
that was kind of not. That was in rides there, but you know,
Iris. She's been saying she's ready for roller coasters.
this is not her first roller coaster because technically our first roller coaster was at Big Bear on that slide, and that was fun. Iris, remember the slide? All right, we're almost there, guys. We're about
10 minutes away.
5 minutes away. Adventure City. And we're here.
What do you want to get on first?
A train.
Train.
Dolly wants to get
Dolly's
on
all
the
about the
train.
train.
Dolly wants the
What
train.
about the carousel? You guys want to get on the carousel? On the horses?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Whoa. Are you not scared?
No.
You're too brave, Eleanor. You're too brave, Eleanor. Can we see your mom?
How did you get on there?
Dolly! Dolly! Hey, careful down there, Dolly! Whoa! I'm getting dizzy, dude. I'm getting dizzy, dude. Oh, you're right, huh? That's the trick? If you get scared, just close your eyes, huh? Uh-oh, we're stopping. What's going on now? We're going backwards. Dolly! You're way up high, Dolly! You're so tall! You guys ready to get on the train? Dolly is ready. This is why she's here. For the train. Okay, if we see your mom right now, we wave at them, okay? Let's look for your mom and your sister. Let's look for them. Keep your eyes open. Bye, Iris.
I don't know about that. We'll think about that. We'll think about
Come on, let's go get another ride.
We got here about 10:30. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon now. It's been a good time. We did everything super fast. There's not a lot of wait. And I would say that it's a pretty good park for just us. Pretty good, huh?
Yep.
Are you having fun?
Yep.
All right. So now me and Iris are gonna do the balloon. And we'll see how Dad is doing over there with Dolly. Dolly! Hi!
This ride scares her, but she wants to keep getting on and on and on. Brave girl, Dolly. Here we go. Going up. I won't throw up. No throwing up, huh?
Put your arms up, Iris!
No throwing up. We don't put your hands in the sky? Head down.
What happened? You got scared? I'm not gonna lie, these rides make you super dizzy. So Dolly wants to go on again. I'm not sure about that.
Okay, so I'll be honest. We just finished doing the roller coaster right there. And mine, I did a complete dumb move and I hit the record button and I did not catch the whole ride at all. But at least I enjoyed it because Iris was pretty scared. You didn't like the roller coaster, huh?
I was bumping wild.
It was too bumpy, huh?
I'm just gonna check seatbelts, okay, guys? Thank you. Thank you. For the plane, it's inverted. Down takes you up and up takes you down on the steering wheel, okay?
Okay, cool. Thank you. But yeah, dumb move on my part. But it was fun, huh? It was fun, but not fun enough to get on again, huh? It was fun, but not fun to get on again?
No.
No. Good job, Dali! Good job, Dali! What do you think about this bus ride? I think you're gonna get scared.
Oh my goodness. It's too spooky. Close your eyes, close your eyes. We're almost done. One more, and that's it. And we're done. We're done. You did a good. High five, Dali. Yay. High five, Iris. So, have you been having a good time today?
Yep.
Is it better than being home boring in the house?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you glad you could come out and take your mask off?
Yep.
That's good, baby. I'm happy that you're happy.
I forgot to put mask on and you with us in a white.
Oh, okay. But it's a good thing, right? Because we get to feel fresh and free. Right?
Yeah, because I got vaccinated.
What song did you make up yesterday?
Peanut butter, chocolate.
Something vaccinated.
No, vaccinated.
So we're enjoying this, guys, because we're finally feel a little bit of freedom. We're finally starting to feel like a little bit of normalcy, and we get to run out and be without our mask, and it feels great.
Oh man. Alright guys, we're on our way home.
We had a
Hot
great
day.
time.
Yeah, it was a good time. It was a hot day. And we got there at what time? Like 11?
About 10:30, yeah.
Well, 10:30, 11. And now it's 3. So we were there for about 5 hours. In total, we paid $100 for 4 tickets. Each one of us had to get a ticket. And there was 10 rides at the park. We pretty much did all of the rides except the drop zone and one of the roller coasters. That was pretty big. And the girls, Iris didn't like the roller coaster that much because it was kind of all over the place. I kind of fucked up, and I don't know why. I didn't record it. My fuck up. I was too interested in looking at Iris and to enjoy it.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah, but I didn't record it.
You enjoyed it for reals.
Yeah. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Feel whack about it. Not really, because I got to see my daughter's face of pure terror. So it was a good time. We ended the day going to the arcade, but these little girls with all that many people in the arcade and all the lights and all the noise, and they don't know how to use it. It was just too much. So we didn't record that, and now we're in the car in the AC, and we're much more
You forgot to talk about the food.
Oh, and the food was pretty good.
It's actually better than Disneyland.
That is
way
true.
cheaper.
Cheaper and better.
Dad got like a better burger than the Habit, huh?
Way better burger than the Habit. Way better burger than Flo's Cafe.
And the girls ate their pizza, so it's like
Yeah.
their food was good for what it was.
Yeah, we got the 2 souvenir cups as well.
Oh yeah, for free. Those came free. So that was
did
good.
you pay extra for the card?
So it was a combo ticket. It was like $7 each ticket extra, but you got the arcade pass and you got the zipper. So for $7, I think that was decent, right?
Okay.
So
What did you like about the day? What was your favorite part?
I forgot drop down one.
The one that drops?
Yeah.
That was your favorite one?
Yeah.
The bus? That one was.
A drop down.
and what about the petting zoo? You guys didn't talk about the petting zoo.
Oh, did you like the petting zoo?
Yeah, but that was the drop down one.
The drop down one? You saw it and you said you didn't want to get on.
Yeah, that was a good one. But I think you got fit in there.
I think I could fit in there.
You can fit in there, but you got a little scared when you saw it. Next time, huh?
Next time we'll do it.
Next time.
And
Don't worry.
Dolly, brave pants.
And Dali, wow, Dali got brave today. And which one was your favorite, right, Dali? Oh, she fell asleep.
That's how you know it was good.
Yeah, Dali, we're not even like 5 minutes out of the park, guys. She's knocked out. So yeah, it was a fun day, pretty random.
Give it a shot. Adventure City, give it a shot.
Adventure City in
Yeah.
Anaheim. So it was a pretty cool time out.
And I already. So
Yeah.
we're done.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Some of the rides. Got to see the girls' brave side. And
I call baseball.
see you next time. Say bye,
Bye.
Iris.
Got it, babe. You got it, babe. It's actually a lot harder than it looks, I guess. Go, go, Dolly, go.